Hi there, it's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com, and I just want to talk a little bit about how to cut, or the settings that you need to cut recycled felt on your Cricut Maker Machine. I bought a sheet of the brand name EcoFi recycled felt at Joann's, and this felt is made from 100% recycled plastic bottles. So it's a bit thicker than, craft felt, and definitely more sturdy and more stiff. And so when I went to cut it on my Cricut Maker the first time, it didn't cut. It just scored. So when I picked I went into Browse All Materials, and this is the Cricut Design Space screen, and I had typed in felt and searched, and I had picked this felt stiff, thinking that might be a good option, but it came up with the fine point blade, and so I said, okay, I'll give it a try, and I cut it using the fine point blade on the default pressure setting, and it just scored the felt. It didn't make an actual cut. So I went back to the drawing board, and instead of choosing felt stiff, because when I choose that, like I said, it comes up with the fine point blade, and it doesn't give me an option to edit my tools. So I wanted to be able to edit the tools to try and use the rotary blade. So I just chose the first option, just plain felt. And when I do this, I have an option here to edit my tools in step 2. So it still comes up with the fine point blade, but I know that doesn't work. And when I did the first cut, I had left it at the default pressure. So this time in doing I'm going to choose the rotary blade, but I'm also switching to more pressure. And then I go to edit tools, and I'm going to pick the rotary blade here. And I'm going to continue. And so that actually cut that recycled felt very nicely. Really clean, precise cuts. I had cut not the photo that you see here, or not the project that you see here. I cut something more intricate, some little bunnies for Easter, and they cut out really nicely. So if you are trying out some recycled felt or EcoFi felt and are wondering what settings to put your Cricut Maker on when you cut those, try the rotary blade and try more pressure and see how it goes. Again, this is a very thick, sturdy felt, so not your normal craft felt. If I have the whole post where I outline this linked in the description below. So I'd appreciate a couple of things. If you could hit the subscribe button for my channel, that would be amazing. And also check out the post. Thanks again. This is Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com.